Right, girls. Good morning, everyone. It's early, but not so bright. It's about 7 AM and I'm just walking around the fields at the moment, close to the house. Believe it or not, I've lived here 2.5 years and I've never been on this path, so it's amazing what a global pandemic can do for you. The only reason I'm awake this early is I've not been sleeping properly at all for the last week especially, so may as well make use of it, get out early for a change. So yeah, just pottering about. I'm in the field with some lovely ewes and their little ones at the moment, soon heading towards the river where there may be potential for kingfishers, so you never know. I'm shooting on the 24mm for the vlogs, and a few photos as well. Otherwise I've got the other Sony A7 III as well with the 70-200 attached, ready, waiting. So yeah, we're just going to have a wander and see what we come away with. You can probably tell there's nothing special in terms of the lighting this morning. We are forecast a bit of rain in about an hour maybe, so yeah, make do with what you're given. We'll see what we get. Good morning. Not interested. Okay, so this is pretty much the perfect habitat I was hoping to find. Relatively quickly moving water, but with these nice big deeper pools as well, with plenty of overhanging branches and fairly steep banks as well for nesting. So chances of there being kingfishers here are pretty good, I think. If you followed the channel for a while, you'll know that I love kingfishers, absolutely love them, but I've never seen one. If there is one right here right now, I've probably disturbed it already, so I'm going to carry on walking. I've got plenty of river to cover, and then just wait, hang around 5-10 minutes at a time, see if anything happens. So let's carry on. I am so happy right now. I've just seen my first ever kingfisher at the ripe old age of 29. There's no chance of me getting a photo, even video. It's just standing right here and just this blue bolt of lightning, just one side to the earth, darted down, a little chirp as well. So I'm in the right place. It was heading that way, so I'm gonna take a chance and follow it. I'm very lucky that along the riverbank there's been a lot of sheep around here, and it's like sand. I'm not making a noise in terms of footfall, so I'm gonna hedge my bets and I'm gonna try and follow the kingfisher. No idea where it's gone. It's worth a shot. Well, there's definitely fish here. I've still not seen another kingfisher yet. Well, I've had no more luck with kingfishers. I thought I'd seen one at one point, but it was a blue tip. I just saw that little flash of blue and my heart started pounding again. But no, I've taken about an hour and a half to slowly make my way down a mile of river, and just looking as you're walking, you can tell it's ideal territory for these kingfishers. Loads of deep, calm water with lots of shade, loads of overhanging branches. It's just perfect for them. So it's definitely a place to bear in mind. I mean, as the crow flies, I live about a quarter of a mile over there behind the trees. So I definitely need to wander down here more often. But there we are. Otherwise, I've got a few other photos of local residents and their newborns, and yeah, I know I'll be back down here, so next time I do, I'll bring you with me. So otherwise, I'm starving, so I'm going to head home. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't get the photos I was after, but it's all knowledge. I know more than I did before. So until next one, be good, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.